Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix this version of Vanguard requires UEFI secure boot to be enabled in order to play. So the first thing what we need to do here, we need to write run, and then here you just need to write msinfo32. Then you need to make sure here that BIOS mode is UEFI, and then look if a secure boot is enabled. For me it's on, but for you if it's off, I will show you what you need to do next. First of all, open up settings. Then on settings, we need to go to a Windows update, then go to advanced options, and then here should see recovery, right? And then here you need to select a advanced startup, right? Restart your device to change startup settings, loading. Basically, you just need to press restart button here. Then your computer should boot up to this mode here. Then you just need to press troubleshoot, and then advanced options, and then select a UEFI firmware settings. Restart now, and your computer will restart now, and you will be in the BIOS mode. So go ahead and do so. So guys, I'm on the BIOS here. Of course, for you it can be different because for me, as you can see, it's gigabyte. If for you have different one, of course it will be a little bit different, but you should get the point. So you just need to go to first settings, miscellaneous, and then here you should see a trusted computing, and then you just need to make sure that TPM interface is on auto or on. Make sure it's on, okay? Then you need to go to system info here, and then you need to go to boot. Make sure secure boot also is enabled here, and it should be active, super important. And the last thing that we need to do here is CSM support. So it should be on the, I believe, boot here, and you should see a CSM support. Make sure CSM support is disabled, right? And the first option for us, I believe, was TPM. If using EMD, not Intel, the name will be a little bit different, VATM or something like that, right? And after that, don't forget to save the changes and exit, and then your game should work.